With macOS Big Sur, Apple has updated all of its system and interface sounds. It also brings the return of the Mac startup chime. You'll now hear that again when you boot up or restart your Mac. In the Sound System Preference pane, we have almost all new alert sounds. Some of these are new and some are just slightly updated or altered versions of an older sound. Like blow is now breeze, funk is now funky, and ping is now pong. The only name that is the exact same is Sosumi, which is somewhat famous in Apple history. Just do a web search for it if you want to know more. The user interface sounds have also been updated. These are sounds that you hear when you move a file to a different folder or into the trash. Notice that interface sounds like these can be turned off here. Let's listen to the new file move sound. And now the old one. I'll do this with the move to trash and the empty trash sounds. So if you've been hearing these old sounds over and over for 10, 20, or even 30 years, it's going to take a little getting used to these new sounds. But they do generally sound better as they've been updated for the improved speaker systems that almost every Mac has nowadays.